Hi, my name is attorney Gary Iscoe from the Iscoe Law Firm. How soon after an accident should you contact an attorney? I could tell you from experience that I've had clients contact me from the scene of an 18-wheeler where they've been trapped underneath a car. Trapped underneath an 18-wheeler truck and called me, Gary, what do I do? Well, the only thing he could do is get extracted from the vehicle and get transported to the hospital, and subsequently represented him in the case and had a very big recovery. My advice to you is the quicker you can contact an attorney after an accident, the better it is for you. You're going to have people looking out for your rights solely. The insurance companies have adjusters on the scene. They have teams of people running around trying to get releases for skimpy amounts of monies to try and get you to release their rights at the scene of an accident. The most important thing you could do is have somebody work on your side. Have an attorney whose only job it is to look after yourself. So if you're involved in an accident, it's very important to reach out to an attorney. Let the attorney know what happened to you. Consult with the attorney. Make sure you get medical treatment right away. Make sure your property damage is being handled correctly. Make sure we look at all of your insurance coverages. It's amazing to me that most people after an accident do not know what insurance they have. So, of course, I work with it every day. So the most important thing is to be able to gather your insurance information, give it to the attorney so they could look out and make sure you're getting all of the benefits that you have under a policy. Make sure then that the attorney is then finding out the insurance on the other side. Sometimes there's 3, 4, 5 layers of insurance coverage to go after. I've seen attorneys settle a case for $1 million and the adjuster to come and laugh and say, Gary, so-and-so attorney settled the case for $1 million. Ha, ha, ha. Guess what? We had $2 million in insurance coverage, and he's so proud to say he got $1 million off of us. But you know what? He didn't ask about the other insurance policy. Make sure you go to an attorney that has a lot of experience. They're going to uncover all the insurance. They're going to handle you in the right way and look out for your own interest. So after an accident, make sure you're safe. Make sure you're in the right place. Make sure you report it to the police. And then, importantly, as soon as you're able to call an attorney. I've been called many, many times from the scene of an accident. In fact, recently I had one of my best friend's son was in an accident. He was out of town. He was on I-95, and they called me from out of state and said, hey, Dylan was in an accident. Within minutes, I was on the road. I showed up on the scene on I-95. I was there with the police officer. It was a 5-vehicle chain reaction. It felt really good to be able to be at the scene of the accident. I've done this several times with clients. Father Leonard Dim is another client, called me from the scene of the accident on I-95. Be able to represent these clients, keep them calm, get them to medical doctors to get checked out. So the sooner that you contact an experienced Florida personal injury attorney, the better off you are. Someone such as myself at the Iscoe Law Firm, I have over 30 years of representing clients injured in accidents. And my experience is the earlier you get to an attorney, the better off you are. And the insurance company's own statistics show that those people represented by an attorney collect on an average 3 to 5 times the amount of money compared to those people who do not get an attorney. And I can tell you, the earlier you get an attorney, the better off you are.